Hi there, welcome back to thinktankonlinelearning. So in this video we're going to look on projection of planes. So this one, the shape that we have here, it's octagonal prism, right? So I want to draw the front view, which is this, the auxiliary view, which is this. After that we're going to draw the top view, okay, looking in this direction at the top. After that we're going to draw the left view. Okay, so let's start by drawing. So the first that we start to draw the auxiliary view, right? So you can see this one is the plan. Okay, so since our shape is inclined at an angle of 30 degrees, we're going to take a 30 degree set square. Okay, and we're going to just draw this line. Okay, come here at a 60 degree angle, draw this one. This is the line which is perpendicular to this. So since the length of one side is 10, right, it's 20, so I'm going to measure 10 on each side. Okay, so going to take a 30 degree and I'm going to project this line, right? Okay, and now what we're going to do, take a t-square, come to this side, okay, like this, and now I'm going to measure 20, right? So 20 is right here, and after that we're going to take 60 degree set square, and we're going to project a line right here. Okay, and now take the 30 degree set square. Okay, just like this. Okay, so now I'm going to measure 20, right? So 20 is right here, and also going to take 60 degree set square, just like this. Okay, and now what we're going to do, we're going to measure the distance from here to here, okay, like this, and come to this point. And I'm going to do the same right here. Okay. Now I'm going to join this using a ruler, right? Okay, and do the same right here. Okay. So now I'm going to come to this point, right, and measure the distance from here to here. Okay, and if you come at this point right here, you can just do the same. And after that, going to project this line using the 30 degree set square. Okay, then finally joining this with this. Okay, so from here what we're going to do, we're just going to project these lines, right? Project this one, project this one, project this one, project this one, and project this one, and we are going to leave a reasonable distance. Okay, I think this will be fine. Now going to measure 83, right, from this to this. So check your ruler, it's the millimeter section. I'm going to measure 83, right, and 83 is right here. Okay, and now let's outline. Okay, and now it's time to add some center lines. Okay, just like this. Okay, so I'm going to name our points. Okay, so let's go this point number 1, this point number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8. Okay, and after doing that, we're going to take a set square, and you can even name them right here. Okay, so this one is 2, 3, right? This one is 1, 4, and this one is 8, 5, right? And this one is 7, 6. Okay, I'm going to project them downwards. So this one, the one that we're drawing, is the top view, right? Okay, so on top view, as you can see, if we project some lines right here, you're going to see, you're just going to see this point, but if you project them right around here, you're going to see this face, right? Okay, and I'm going to do the same right here. I'm going to project lines right here. Okay, okay, so now what we're going to do, we're going to take our t-square and just draw a horizontal line, right? Okay, then what you're going to do, we're going to come right here. Okay, it was center line. Okay, so our center line, okay, so should have measured 10 right here. Okay, and 10 is right here. Wow, made a mistake right here. So this is 10. So bear with me. That is the center line that we're going to use. Okay, the one in the middle. That is the one that we're going to use. So this line, okay, you can call this line, let's call it A. A, right? And this is the same line, right? This one. That one, the line we're going to call A. Okay, so what's going to be this line is 7, 6, right? 7, 6. So if we come right here at this point, as you can see, we know it's 10, 10 from this side. So what we're going to do, we're going to measure 10 right here and measure 10 right here. And we're going to project these points right here and right here. Okay, and now go to the next point. So come to 8, 5. So come to this center line, the corrected one. And we're going to measure point number 8 and point number 5. So if we come to this point, 8 and 5, right? 8 and 5, and we're going to strike right here. Okay, so this is going to be point number 8 and point number 5 right here. Okay, as you can see, 1 and 4 just the same, and 2 and 3 is equal to 7 and 6, the distance from here to here. Okay, so since they said we're going to see this part only, right? We're going to see the top part right here, and on this side we're just going to see the corner. Okay, so let's do that. We're going to outline right here because we're going to see the face, right? We're going to come to this point. We're going to come to this point. And right here, what is going to happen? Okay, so we're going to come to this point, come to this point, right? Because we're going to see this. That's why I'm making them bold, right? Okay. Right? And right here, what we're going to see, okay, right, okay, and now what are we going to do? Going to take, so what is happening here? We're going to see some hidden details, right? Okay, and this one too. Okay, okay, then we're going to connect these lines to the edge, right? Okay, and now what we're going to do, we're going to take a 45-degree set square, but before we do that, we're going to create some space right here. We're going to project this line up to here, the same right here. Can ignore the center, this one and this one, right? And after doing that, I think right here will be reasonable, right? Okay, so now looking, project this edge. This edge, you can just ignore the center, this one and this one, right? And let's make these lines as long as possible. Okay. Okay, so what we're going to do, just take a 45 degree set square, right, and come to the corner of this line. Okay, so let's just come here, right, okay, right here. Think right here will be good. And now I'm going to project these lines upwards, right, this one. I'm going to project this one again. This one is already there. This one and this one. Okay, just like this. So when you look in the left view, you're going to see this base, right? If you project some line there, you can see the base, and right here you're just going to see the corner. Okay, so that's what we're going to do. Let's draw the base. Okay, so this one, this is what we're going to see. Okay, this angle, and I want to connect with this. I want to connect it with this, because I'm going to see the whole base, right? Okay, you have to make sure that your T-square is very, very, very tight. Okay, then right here on top, what we're going to see, okay, we're just going to see the corner. Okay, okay, so come to this point. That is what we're going to see, right? And of course we need to add some hidden detail. So what we're going to do, let's start by drawing a line which is going to touch this and this, right? And this one is going to be the hidden detail, right? So thank you for watching.